Here's how to fix Fortnite Easy Anti-Cheat not installed. First, open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Here, type the drive name where your Fortnite is installed. Mine is installed in E drive, so I will this, and press Enter. From there, find and open Fortnite, then go to Fortnite Game, then Binaries, then Win64, and finally the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Inside this folder, locate Easy Anti-Cheat EOS Setup.exe. Right-click it, select Show More Options, then choose Send To and click Desktop. Create shortcut. Now, go to your desktop and find the shortcut you just created. Right-click it and select Properties. In the target field, move your cursor to the end of the existing text, add a space, and type Repair. Click Apply, then OK, and double-click the shortcut to run it. This will repair the Easy Anti-Cheat installation. Once the repair is complete, open the Epic Games Launcher and try launching Fortnite again. If you're still seeing the same error, the next step is to make sure Windows Firewall isn't blocking Easy Anti-Cheat. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and launch it. From the left panel, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select Change Settings. Click Allow another app, then choose Browse. Navigate to the Easy Anti-Cheat shortcut you created on your desktop, select it, and click Add. After adding it, make sure both private and public are checked. Then click OK to save the changes. Now launch Fortnite again and check whether the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.